It's Arina TL. Welcome to this vlog. It's your village champion, but also your international content creator. So today I have something special for all of you that have subscribed. And I want to give you something in advance for all of you who have subscribed so far. I'm preparing a special delicacy from our village, a special soup for you guys, and this is how it starts. It all starts with hot water. Our water is already boiling. So guys, it's not every day that you eat chicken. Chicken is on special occasion. Christmas.
Welcoming important visitors like me.
For visitors, that is true. For Easter, for Uhuru is independence. Women's Day. Those are some of the special days where we can eat chicken.
Are not big deals here.
They are birthdays. It's not a big deal. Your birthday. We thank God that
don't forget Jesus' birthday.
So guys, we are going to be preparing the chicken stew. Like I told you, it's only on special occasion. So from the few I have mentioned to you, you know what occasion it is. We have a visitor. So how we are going to prepare it, we first roast it a bit to make sure that all the hairs burn off. You know, after plucking the hairs off, I could not show you that because YouTube restricts. So once all the hairs are burnt off, I'm going to be showing you. After plucking, we burn off all the remaining hairs.
Men in Africa know how many parts a chicken has. So women cannot cheat. They
yeah,
have
by
12.
the way, Asian women is not to eat chicken. If I was in those times, I would eat it and they send me back to my family. Hey, Mama Nyam.
Even Maureen does not eat chicken.
Three.
She's one of those old women. She was taught well.
And there are a lot of myths around chicken. I hear you're not supposed to eat chicken before you are married. You're not supposed to eat chicken from your in-laws before you are married. And chicken is also one of the meals that is prepared as a sign of honor and respect. So if in-laws visit, or son-in-law, or uncles or what, there will be some chicken, a whole chicken. You have to make sure all hairs are burnt off. This is one of the meals that makes you as a guest feel special in a home and you're welcome. They have to slaughter for you some, but most cases it is chicken. The Baganda wrap it in banana leaves and they call it wombo. Yeah. So, but currently I'm in the Jonam, the land of the Jonam. They have a lot of meats around chicken, but they are all mainly restricting women from eating it. So, me, I would defy all those and eat the chicken. Guys, after making sure that all the hairs are off, we are going to be dividing it into the various parts so that it is enough for the family. And most cases, we don't eat female chickens. Are they called chickens? Mostly the male, the cocks are eaten, but when it has overproduced, we can eat it. So I'm going to be dividing into the parts that can be fit for our family. Like I told you, our homes are always extended families. So we have to make sure everyone has a taste of this chicken. Yes, it is a delicious meal. Sometimes kids sleep earlier, but when it is chicken time, they will not sleep earlier because they know it's a delicacy they shouldn't miss. Okay. After dividing the chicken into the parts that are enough for your family, you still bring them on fire to a bit. You know, when you roast them like this, they get a very good scent. Since we don't fry here, we don't have oil to waste like that. We don't fry. God of the angel armies, turning the things around. We take in every country, we take in every town, yeah. The roasting is done. You have to do this to give it a very good aroma as you cook. So we are going to wash it. Wash it. Yes, we do. So when that is done, next step is them. We wash them. We are rinsing a bit of it, and now we are good to go. This is the saucepan we are going to be using. We're just adding our chicken here. It had some eggs within it. We take in every country. We take in every town we go. I see a beautiful rain, the African blue. I see a blood that was shed to show love for you. It doesn't matter who you are. Let go, let God rise up, Africa. Let go, let God. Let go, let God. I see a beautiful red in the African blue. Mulimu obuto ebadde n'amasavu nga mangi, you guys. We didn't use any oils, but you see the fats that are here. So guys, that's what we've got from our chicken. Uncle yagala kulya ki? Enkoko. Obukono. Obukono bw'enkoko.
Ekifuba mpa ekifuba.
Ekifuba is
kugirako ekifuba obukono kugirako ekifuba.
Obukono twa nena kuwa akakono n'ekifuba sikyo? Like that.
Kiwedde. Jakobera gino.
Omunyo tetumanyi nga we tuyimiridde.
Bagambye njoozi.
Guys, this is how our chicken has come out, with only an onion and salt. We didn't do much. We didn't put any oils, but you see, I think you see the reason why I told you we're not going to use any oil. It is very oily. Time for me to test one. So we're testing and see what
Nekana kekaza mby'omusaaga.
Sogenda kubba ennyama nga tebagikuwadde. Ate bagamba wobba enkoko tolekerawo okubba paka. Guys, it is tasty and we're going to be having it with. Yes, sir. We're having it with ugali. Uncle, someone did. Guys, it's very yummy. Very yummy. So why did you suffer with cooking oil? Most when the price of cooking oil is going so high, just cook that way.
Do you know the most important part of the chicken?
What is it?
Kokonkulu.
First has eaten it.
Now that is disrespectful
I'm not
to the
eating
culture.
it, I'm not eating it.
But you're putting
it there
in your
in the
plate.
saucepan, no? It's in the saucepan.
My stepmother paid a goat.
For eating chicken.
She had just come, lived here for like a few months. They gave her a chicken to cook. When she brought the chicken, the gizzard was missing. And they asked her where is the gizzard. And I ate it. She had to bring a goat for the elders.
What? They would excuse her. Just I give you some soup. My mom. I'm going to eat the soup with ugali. It's mainly oil, but I'm going to eat it with ugali. Me, I'm done with that. You guys come and eat chicken. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.